Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you the Grok CLI. So Grok, as you all know, it's a famous AI platform developed by the X platform Twitter. This is their CLI platform, which is there. So this is a GitHub page right here. So now to get started using Grok CLI, you can simply type here Grok AI CLI, and the very first, I think, yeah, so this is the tool here. So it's an open source AI agent that brings the power of Grok directly inside your terminal. So similar to Gemini and Claude, Grok also offers its own CLI tool right here. Now to just install this, it's very simple. You should have Node.js installed directly inside your machine. So if you haven't installed Node.js, simply install Node. Already done that, so we can cross check by simply typing the command node dash dash version. So I've already have the latest version of Node.js installed. After that, you simply install this by executing this command npm install dash g for globally installing it at the rate vibekit grops CLI. So I simply copy this command and simply open the terminal and execute this command. So here we are executing this command. So this will install Grok globally inside my system, Grok CLI. So as soon as it is installed, you will get this notification. Now the Grok CLI is installed. So you can simply type the Grok command, and you will get this warning that API key is required. So you need to set this environment variable. So you can easily get the API key just with it as XAI, and inside this Grok, you can easily get. First of all, you need to sign up using your Google account, and once you sign up, you will go to the API key section. So you basically click on sign. You can log in right here with the Google account. So once you sign up, you will be able to. This is their chatbot here that you all see. You can basically interact directly right here. Build a simple coding app in browser, or you can go to the API 6 API key section as well, where it will go to the account icon right here, account profile icon, and right here you will go to the settings option. And so if you, so as you can see, it actually runs your code as well. But if you want to get the API key, you go to this URL and simply say API. So now Grok 4 now available. So first of all, you need to API console. So they have their own pricing as well. So now the API key, you first of all need to purchase some credits. So if you log in with a new account, you will get this warning that you have no credits. So first of all, you need to buy some credits, and after that, here you can enter the amount here. So let's suppose you're putting $5, so you can add your credit card or having a guest checkout as well. So now it will redirect you to the payment. After you purchase some credits, you can go to this section API keys, and you can get your API key and replace it. So directly right here, you can purchase it in your own currency as well. So as you can see, so after you purchase the credits, you go to the API key section, and right here click on this button, create API key, and then you name your API key and save it. Just check all this, enable all models, enable all endpoints, click on save, and this will give you your API key. So as you can see, this is your API key section. So but just make sure that before creating it, you buy the credits. In this, after that, you can set the environment variable. Like this method one is this one. You can basically copy this command and directly paste it, export Grok API key and replace your API key right here. After replacing that, now you can directly use Grok, or you can directly pass the API key as your option as well. Grok dash dash API key and replace your API key right here. So there are multiple options. After that, simply type Grok, go to the working directory of your project, and then simply type the prompt, show me the package.json file. So automatically this will show you your package.json file right in the terminal itself. You basically write Grok dash dash prompt, show me the package.json file. So in this easy way, create a new file called with the hello world function, run npm test. All these things you can automate your workflow of your project with these Grok CLI directly in the terminal itself. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.